Hello, what's up everyone? I hope you guys are doing well. So this is my second video from the collab with Apna mobile showroom. So today I'll unbox the Oppo A5s, and without wasting any time, let's start this. So guys, I have the box with me. This is the Oppo A5s box, and the version which I have is 4GB 64GB variant. And without wasting any time, let me unbox this box. Alright, here it goes, and here are some documents. Let's see what's inside this. Here's the TPU case from Oppo. It's a good quality case, so you don't have to buy another case. So let's keep this aside and let's have a look at the phone. And here comes the phone. So this is the Oppo A5s and it is black in color. So let me take out the plastic from the box. Alright guys, so it's quite impressive from Oppo. Alright guys, let me give this phone aside and let's have a look what's inside the box. Okay, here it goes. Here comes nothing, and here's the Oppo charger. It's a 5-watt charger from the Oppo. And okay, and let's see what's this, whether it is type C or micro USB cable. So guys, this is the micro USB cable from Oppo, and let's keep this aside and let's have a look at the phone. Alright, so the phone looks attractive in black. The back is built by the plastic, but it looks like a glass, so it's quite impressive. And the front glass is protected with Cornering Gorilla Glass 3. Now talking about the camera, the phone has two rear camera, 13+2 megapixel. The phone has fingerprint sensor at the back, which is quite fast and responsive. The phone is powered by 4230 mAh battery, which is quite impressive. It has a display of 6.2-inch IPS HD plus screen resolution with 81.6 screen to body ratio. Alright, now let's have a look at the phone hardware. Here comes the speaker grill. Here's the USB cable port from where you charge your phone. This is the charger port, and this is the mic, and this is the 3.5mm jack. And on the left hand side, here's the power on off button, and there's nothing on the top. And on left hand side, here's the volume up and down button, and on the top here's the SIM tray. Alright guys, this is the SIM ejector. So let me eject the SIM tray, and let's see whether the phone supports the dedicated SD card slot or whether it is hybrid SIM slot. Alright guys, here it goes. Let me have a look. Okay, so it's a good for the users that it's a dedicated SD card slot, so you don't have to worry for the memory card. You can use two SIM as well as the memory card. So this is a quite impressive feature from the Oppo. Alright guys, and the phone runs on MediaTek Helio P35, which is based on 12nm technology. And the phone comes with Android 8.1 out of the box with ColorOS 5.2. The phone has a front camera of 8 megapixel, which you can record 1080p at 30 fps. The phone supports Bluetooth 4.2, and the phone comes in 4 different colors: red, black, gold and green. So you can choose it. And the phone has 3 variants. One is 2GB 32GB, 3GB 32GB, and the higher variant 4GB 64GB. And I'll link down the price in the description. You guys can go and check it out in the market if you guys are interested. So guys, that was the unboxing of the Oppo A5s. And if you think if I miss out any important details, you can comment down below. I'll answer to that. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. See you in the next video guys. Peace out.